kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun new review for you guys featuring the JuJuBe Mini BFF. It came to my attention not that long ago that I actually haven't done a review on the Mini BFF yet. So I wanted to make sure that you guys had a review, packing video, and on the body for this adorable little bag because it's definitely one of my little favorites in my closet. I have quite a few of these. I think most of them are Toki. I just love this bag in the Toki prints. They are so cute. And I have it here today in the adorable new Toki Retreat. If you guys haven't seen my review for the Bestie bag, which is also one step up from this size, and the BFF bag, I will link those videos here for you. So as you guys saw in the beginning of this video where I showed you this bag on the body, you can wear this bag 3 different ways. You can wear it over the shoulder, crossbody, and as a backpack. Now I'd say most of the time I wear this either as a backpack or over my shoulder. It's just the easiest way for me. This bag is just the right size if you have a child that you want to do a mommy and me look with. You have the bigger backpack, they have the smaller backpack. It's adorable. I've seen lots of people do that. It's so cute. But for me personally, I have used the Mini BFF as a purse for myself on multiple occasions. I love it. So today I'm going to show you how I basically pack this bag up. It's probably going to be a very quick packing video because it's such a small bag. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go over some of the outside features. So on this bag, you have a grab handle on top here. I was actually pleasantly surprised to see Donatella's up there on my bag. I love that. She is, you know, my favorite character from Toki. So you have a little grab handle. This is how I like to pull the bag in and out of the car, or just anytime I'm picking it up, I just tend to grab for that. You can also grab the straps, not a big deal since it's such a small bag. You have a 2 zipper opening on the front here. I tend to like to have my tags on one side just so that this doesn't get scratched up. I absolutely love how JuJuBe is doing the nameplates with the colors now. Look at that. It's so cute. I love it. I think they did such a great job with that. I love that it matches the lining of the bag and everything. You also have a D-ring on each side of the bag here, and this is so that you can use this over the shoulder and crossbody. On the front of the bag here, you have another pocket. This is like a very, very miniature mommy pocket. This whole bag scaled down from a BFF is just so cute. I mean, it literally looks like a large BFF, but like way smaller. Now on the sides of the bags, you'll see you don't have any organization or anything. You can just see the adorable print there. On the very back of the bag, you actually have a little slip pocket. I don't actually have anything in the very back here. I did try to put my iPhone 11 Max Pro back there. It was just too long, unfortunately, but normally that is where I would keep a phone. But if you have a small camera or something like that, that is a great place for that. You can see on the very back here, this is how I have my strap. I have it anchored at the top here, which I highly recommend that you do if you're going to use this as a backpack because otherwise this strap slips a lot. If you anchor it at the top, it just stays in place. So I really like that. This is a very adjustable strap. It can get very long. It can also get pretty short. So I think that's great. You also have a D-ring on each side of the bag down here that you can clip the clips to so that it can become a backpack. So that is what's going on the outside of the bag. Let's go ahead and jump on to the inside. I'm gonna go through the front pocket here first, the miniature mommy pocket. In here I just have my keys. I like to have my keys in a front pocket because I tend to like to have them in an easy to grab place. Also, it keeps them away from everything else that may push on the buttons and lock or unlock my car. So I really like that pocket for these. This is a massive pair of keys, as you can see, and it fit in here just fine. That's all that I had in there, but look at this adorable lining, you guys. It's so cute. I love it. Such a pretty color. So let's go ahead and go through the main compartment. So let's open up this bag. It does have some miniature gussets on the sides here. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. So this is what I have on the inside. Nothing too crazy, and I don't have a ton of stuff because I am a minimalist. So here we go. This is my phone. As you can see, it fit in the front here just fine. This is an iPhone 11 Max Pro, as I mentioned. Right behind that, I have a small set piece in the lilac chromatics. It's super pretty. I think it looks really good with the lining on this bag as well. So in here, I have a vaccination card. I also have my wallet in the Biscotti from the Beyond collection. I love this wallet. It's super slim and compact, so it works really great in bags like the Mini BFF. So that's all I had in there. Right behind that, I have another small set piece. This is my small set piece in the Toki Retreat print. In here, I just have a few things for myself that I keep on me at all times. I have a rubber band, some chapstick, lip gloss, a folding hairbrush with a mirror, and then I also have this oil absorbing stick. That is all that I had in there. I have a few more things to go through. As you can see, you have a mesh pocket in the very back here. On the end over here, I actually had this little hand sanitizer. So let's go ahead through the back pocket over here. I have a little pill case, and this has some Advil and allergy medicine for me. And on the other side of that, I have a mask just in case. And that is all that I have in my mini BFF. But as you guys can see, it actually holds quite a bit, I think, for the size of it. It holds more than it looks like it can. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. If you love the mini BFF and you just have to add it to your collection, I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and you can shop through that anytime. Thanks for watching.